Hi folks, I want to do a quick walkie-talkie. Now, this is a park you can probably understand. Now, they've stopped cutting the grass in this area, calling it a biodiversity zone, as the sign you see alludes to. Right? And now this bit used to be cut very regularly every year. You can see a large portion has not been cut, and they've kind of took a random stab at cutting, I suppose, the perimeter. Before this biodiversity slash woke stuff came to pass, right, people would come as far as Edinburgh to come and sit in the hills when the sun was beautiful, Castlemilk as well, and just generally have a good time, maybe a wee drink and their missus. But now it's an absolute joke. It's an absolute disorientated mess. And Glasgow City Council should be like ashamed of themselves. I almost fell over myself speech-wise there. So whatever. But yeah, it's just a mess. Then tiny patches like that get cut, that doesn't get cut, that hasn't been cut for quite a while. Wow. They are really trimming down the petrol costs in the lawnmowers. I'm actually surprised they haven't opted for battery powered lawnmowers to commit to the climate alarmism slash be woke strategy that are quite warmly engaging with. What a mess. You can't even walk your dog in amongst this. The dog gets lost, so it comes out with all sorts of insect bites and infections. Glasgow City Council, they never fail to surprise.